Happy Monday, everyone. This is the Trader Investor. I wanted to do a quick video on IWM specifically because of the price action that we are seeing. IWM is in a range, and for this Monday morning, I wanted to share my thought and my plan for today's trading. So we opened the first 15 minutes and we got out of that 15-minute range. And this range is always a strong range, and it will either show us weakness or it will show us strengths. And what I'm expecting is price is to maintain Friday's lows and bounce from that. That's my expectation. That could not be a true statement. It could pass through. But here's my plan if that happens. If that holds, we could see a bounce back to the 15-minute range and show more weakness. Or as you can see, it is trying to really break those lows and maybe go further down for the lows of Thursday. That's also a possibility. But usually this should be a strong area that it will hold, not on a wick basis, but on a close basis. So I'm going to wait for this 15 minutes bar to close at 7 a.m. Pacific time. But based on that action, I will see what's coming up next. So I wanted you to look at the overall picture. Right? When we get a move like this, we are expecting some bounce for that move to resume. It's not just complete downhill from here. So let's just take a quick look at the SPY. The SPY gapped down from last week. When you look at it on a 5-minute chart, you can tell that because it opened at this level, it was a gap down, but it did not open below last week's low. But as you can see, price has reversed and it is really moving down. But we have a lot of distance before we reach last week's low. So it gapped down, and so I'm looking at this as an inside bar so far. It is contained within the highs and lows of last week. So nothing really big here, nothing major on this chart. What I expect is price to maybe continue to show some weakness, do this kind of move today, but still be contained within Friday's highs and lows. So this should just be just a small inside day. So on an inside day, I'm not too excited to trade them. I usually try to avoid them because there's not a whole lot of momentum in the decisions that come as a result of that. So on the Qs, you can see we did gap down. We're continuing to head down, but we're still above last week's lows. So again, another inside day for the Qs. When it's an inside day, that's a lot of indecision, and I see a lot of times the bar will end something like a doji, or it could have a small body. It could have a small body and close something like this. So this is an inside day, so that's why I'm not too excited about this indecision. But what happens is this gives us a very, very good opportunity for the next trading day. So far only IWM is what is exciting. Diamonds also contained within last week's. Of course, we're playing on the higher end, so it could happen where we break these highs, retest them, and continue. Right? This could happen for all of them. This could definitely happen for, especially for the SPYs who are near the highs, not that far from the highs. The Qs I just showed you, they're really far away, so there's a lot of distance to go for the Qs. IWM, it's trying to break outside of last week's low. So as you can see, so far it is respecting the 15-minute range of Thursday. It's respecting that. So these are very strong support and resistance lines when you're looking at it at a 15 minutes position. So on the diamonds one more time, it's near the highs, so this could happen. So I'm gonna be looking at these, every half hour or every hour, just to see where we're landing. And as you know, I'm not gonna stay glued into these charts. I'm just gonna come back to them periodically for just a brief moment. And my focus is just to do all of my other work, focus on my other work, and then look at these charts, because these charts give us lots of opportunities without having to be glued in and be day traders. Happy week, everyone. Let's go make some green. Take care.